Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax showing you a 2023 Bennington 22LSB swingback. This boat is a Tritoon with a Yamaha 150. It's got the sunset red exterior with the graphite interior with carbon accent. I'll show you the inside here in just a few. Of course, we got front docking lights. Center walk through to the back with the swing back. This particular swing back is the co-captain's lounge. So it's got two co-captain's chairs instead of the actual lounge over there. This is your front starboard lounge, kicker speaker upgrade. You got chargers in here on both sides. Movable cup holders, you can move those around the boat wherever you'd like them. There's a console here, co-captain's chair, two cup holders, another speaker, side entry gate there. And of course the swing back where that, if you've seen our videos, this guy right here will flip back towards the inside of the boat so you can sit rear facing. This one again does have a Yamaha 150, does have your RGB lighting, has the Rockford PMX2 upgrade. It's got the Simrad Go 7 on it. Very nice boat. It's ready in stock here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Thank you.